If you want to add or remove apps in the private space on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, first, of course, we need to access our private space. We need to open it. And then once you go to the private space, in here we have the private apps section. So you can tap on edit button that is on the left side, or add if you don't have any apps added yet. And then in here you can choose apps that should be stored in this private space. So you can see the list of apps that you have on your phone. So you can just tap on them in order to add them to the private space. And they are accessible in here. They are moved to the private space. So if you have them, or if you had them in the app drawer, now they cannot be found in here, and you can only access them now by going to this private space. And if you want to remove an app from the private space, if you want to make it visible and easily accessible again, then of course we can go back to edit, and then at the top of the list we have the list of apps that are stored in the private space, so we can tap on them in here. And then if you remove all your apps, then of course they are going to be found again in the app drawer. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.